Good afternoon, Wednesday, March 6th. I'll just do a little update at the bottom of the driveway, walking up the hill. Although wet, the ground's thawing out underneath, and it seems to be allowing the water to absorb in now, as opposed to just having a couple inches on top, all slick. Waiting for some electricity. Electrician's got the panel in already on his end. He has some temporary outlets set up for the workers. But I just wanted to give you a sneak peek here, everybody. What's going on. Mostly the siding has begun. So, yep. Just wanted to do a quick check-in, show you what's going on. Been working on the siding. Basement floor is all prepped for concrete. Should be coming any day. Temperatures are staying above freezing for the foreseeable future, or next few days. So I don't know if they're going to try to get it in or what. Hopefully. But anyway, yep. Here's our siding start anyway. Board and batten. So all the battens and trim yet to come. But thanks for watching. Sorry for the quick nature of this video. And hopefully in a couple days I got something more to show y'all. All right, have a good night.